What's up, guys? I'm back with another pack opening here on NBA Live Mobile, and today we're gonna be opening up these cornucopia packs. These are officially the last packs that I'll open up. This is the last time I'll do a pack opening on NBA Live Mobile because the game is officially shutting down later on today. So here we go. First pack, we really don't pull anything good. We get Kendrick Nunn, Donovan Mitchell, and Domantas Sabonis. Here we go, second pack of this cornucopia bundle. Kyrie, James Harden, and Boban. All right, guys. So we opened up the bundle. Now we're going to open up the packs here. First pack. Chris Mullin, Patrick Ewing, and Oscar Robertson. Second pack. Kemba Walker, John Wall, and Kyle Kuzma. Third pack. Ooh, Jason Williams, 111 overall. Okay. That's something right there. So we're going to take Zion, Jamal Murray, and Jason Williams. Man, not bad at all. Not a bad pack there. Not shabby whatsoever. Fourth pack. Two 108s. We're gonna get Bruno. And then we're gonna get Tracy McGrady and Steve Francis. Fifth pack. Hey, Kyle Kuzma, man. We're going to take, oh, man, Damian Lillard or Bob Cousy, man. I've never, ever really played with the Bob Cousy card before, so I'm sorry, Lillard fans. I'm taking Bob Cousy, Tim Duncan, and Kyle Kuzma. All right, sixth pack. Here we go. Oh, man. All right, we get Devin Booker, the Admiral, David Robinson, and we get Dirk Nowitzki. Nice. All right, here we go, guys. Final pack. Here we go. Let's see what this has. Here we go to offer. Bam. Oh, man. I'm going to get Vince Carter. I'm easily going to get that Shaq, and I'm going to get Karl the Mailman Malone. So, yeah, guys, that'll do it. That'll conclude it. That's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out.